This is group number 6 and we are presenting our major project 2 named Placement Prep. Our problem statement is the problem is inadequate guidance and material for computer science job placement preparation. A platform with coding questions and tracking features is necessary. We have a team of 4 members: Eman Asif, Isha Verma, Ghanshyam Prajapati, and Ritik Vishkarma. Our guide for this project is Professor Bhavna Soni ma'am. Our idea for this project is the placement offers placement oriented coding questions related to various topics such as DSA and database. Users can track their progress and search for specific questions. The platform allows to schedule reminders for revising concepts and coding questions. The objective is to provide a digital solution that maximizes students' efficiency. Our technologies we used for our project are: for front end we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. For back end we have used Django and SQLite. For tools we have used Git and GitHub, VS Code, Google Chrome for browsing and Canva.
So let's open the website. So this is our login page. Here we can see the dashboard, contest, videos, quiz and career portal. Here we are having two options to create account. One is register button down to sign in page link, and another is sign up for free. So we can click any of the button. Now I will just write my details: first name, last name, username, email, password and repeat password. So now I will click on sign up button. After clicking on sign up button, our account will be created and then we will be logged in with our credentials. So now we are at the platform, that is the main dashboard page. So here you can see the dashboard, contest, videos, quiz and career portal. All the options are there, and here you can see the logout button as well. Now on dashboard we can see the status, problem statement, link to the question, and of what domain that question belong, and the difficulty level and reminder. So any of the options you can use and you can utilize the functionalities. So now open quiz. Here 5 random questions will be selected and you can attempt the questions and test your abilities. Now open career portal. Here all 600 plus companies career pages links have been attached here, so you can explore that as well, and you can click on the link and open that particular link and check whether any opening is there or not. Here we are on contest page where Hacker Earth and Code Forces contest are present. This is the video page where all the open source video lectures are present. This is the main dashboard from where we started. Here we can just check out all the links to the main questions. We can just solve that particular question, and we also can set a reminder for that particular question that I want to do this question after 7 days. So I am doing that only. So this question is now going to schedule on that particular time, and a reminder will be given on my account or my mobile. So all these kind of functionalities we are providing on our platform. Thank you so much.